Hello again, herb lovers. So, winter is fast approaching, and I'd like to talk to you about some of the simple things that you can make for yourself at home from some of the things that you've grown in your garden or perhaps that you source from outside of your home. But these are simple things that I've been making for many years to help us deal with building our immunity against colds and flu, and also helping us deal with those little nasties when we've got them on board. So this is a bottle of what I call my version of, it's a cross between fire cider and Four Thieves vinegar, and I will leave a note down below of a free download that you can grab, which gives you my recipes for making this. But basically what we have here is a mixture of a citrus, in this case lemons, some garlic, some cold fighting herbs, some ginger, topped up with apple cider vinegar, and a few extra little herbs and spices that I like to pop in. I don't like to make my fire cider too hot, mainly because I've been making it for many years for children who don't like fire cider too hot, and also for a husband who talks about having to drink that kerosene every time I give it to him in winter. So you can increase or decrease the heat level of your fire cider however you like, but as I say, this is something that I made yesterday. It will sit out on the bench here now for 2 to 3, maybe 4 weeks. I'll give it a little shake as I go by, and then I will strain it out, and we will drink a little tiny sort of 5 to 10 mils of it a day just to help ward away the baddies. I have got paper on the top here because obviously vinegar is acidic, and I don't want the acid eating into the lid of my container because I don't like rust in my apple cider vinegar, and that just helps to stop the metal getting caught up in the acid of the vinegar and doing what metal and acid do when they mate. So there you go. What are you using this winter to help keep your family well? We can talk about it in the comments, and don't forget to go and grab the download. I'll leave the link below. Love and lettuce, and I'll see you again next time. Bye for now.